Hey, it's Callum McAnally, and we're back with our first edition of Classroom of the Month of the new school year, presented by Town and Country Plumbing, Heating, and Electrical. And today, we're at St. Michael's School. We're hanging out with Miss Gritzfeld's grade 5 class, and we're having a pizza party. It's Classroom of the Month presented by Town and Country Plumbing, Heating, and Electrical with Family Pizza, Kona Ice, Wrapture Spawn Boutique, K+S Potash Canada, Ross Park Dental, GATX Rail, and South Hill Bowling. It is Classroom of the Month here at St. Michael's School, and we are talking with Annika. Now, Annika, have you been having a lot of fun today?
Yeah.
That's great to hear. So we're already 1 month back to school. How's it been going so far?
It's been really fun.
That's good. And what have you guys been learning about?
Like lots of things, like division and stuff.
And you guys have been learning about the weather and humidity and all that stuff, hey?
Yeah.
That's awesome. Well, enjoy the rest of the day.
Thank you.
All right, so we're talking with Max, a.k.a. Stinky Feet, according to your teacher. And Max, have you been having a lot of fun today?
Yeah.
And we're a month into the school year already, so how has the school year been going for you?
Good.
Good. And you've been learning lots?
Yeah.
What are some of the things you've been learning?
Math, 2-digit by 2-digit, and social studies, and science. Yeah.
Nice. So lots of fun stuff. And you've been having a lot of fun today?
Yeah.
That's good to hear. Well, thanks so much for chatting with us. All right. We are talking with Matthew. Now, I've been told that Matthew is known to have a lot of swagger. Can you tell us a bit about your swagger?
I don't know what the swagger means.
Okay, very interesting. And you're enjoying your Kona Ice right now. Tell us about some of the flavors you got in there.
I got mystery, cotton candy, mostly mystery and cotton candy.
Nice. So your Kona Ice is a mystery. Your swagger is a mystery. And has what you've been learning at school in the first month been a mystery, or do you remember?
I do remember. It is both a mystery. So we have been learning phys ed, volleyball, basketball, then English, science, and math, and some math minutes.
All the fun stuff. Well, thanks so much, Matthew, for chatting with us today.
Thank you, too.
We're talking with Essie. Now, Essie, are you having lots of fun today? Nice. Nice. And did you enjoy your pizza?
Yeah, I did.
And so we are 1 month into the school year. What have you guys been learning about?
We've been learning social studies, weather, the lattice method and that, and and we're doing our stuff about our brain.
Nice. And is there anything in particular that you're looking forward to this school year?
And I'm looking forward to a field trip.
Nice. And you have any field trips planned?
Yeah, this one.
Nice. And what is it?
It's going to the weather station.
Wow, that's going to be pretty cool. So we're chatting with Sam. Now, as you can see, Sam is wearing some Blue Jays swag. And so, Sam, you plan on watching the Blue Jays this weekend?
Yeah.
Who's your favorite player on the team?
Flatty.
Good to hear. And are they going to win the World Series this year?
Hopefully.
We all hope so. And have you been having a lot of fun with Classroom of the Month today?
Yeah.
And what kind of flavors do you have in your Kona Ice there?
Mystery flavor and blue raspberry.
Awesome. Well, Sam, thanks so much for chatting with us today. So we're chatting with Christian. Now, Christian, you've been having a lot of fun today, hey?
Yeah.
Now, I see you're wearing all your Blue Jays gear. Are you excited for the Blue Jays to be back in the playoffs?
Yeah.
Who's your favorite player on the team?
Vladdy.
Good choice. And are they going to win the World Series?
Hopefully, but the Yankees are pretty tough.
Well, hopefully they can pull it off. And, Christian, what have you guys been learning about with the first month back to school?
Science, 2-digit by 3-digit multiplication.
A lot of complicated stuff, but it's fun, hey?
Yeah.
Awesome. Well, thanks so much for chatting with us today. We're chatting with Miss Gritzfeld, the teacher of this grade 5 Classroom of the Month here at St. Michael's School. It's just been a fun day, hey?
It's been lots of fun. The kids have been looking forward to this all week.
Yeah, I bet. And so we're already a month into the school year. It's gone by fast. And how's it been for you?
It's great. This is a really great group of kids. I've been blessed to have some of them 2 times now. So getting to have the rest of them that I didn't have the last time has been a really great treat.
Awesome. Now we're on to maybe the best part of the lunchtime party here is we got a whole trolley full of some prizes for you in your classroom. So let's start with this. We've got this gift bag from Wrapture Spawn Boutique. That's going to include a nice little massage for you. So there you go. Some bowling. Look at this. From South Hill Bowling. You got gift certificates for the entire class to do some rounds of bowling. Yay! From Ross Park Dental, we've got a $25 gift card to Starbucks. So there you go. We get to enjoy some coffee and drinks from there. Some more swag from Ross Park Dental. So you got some fresh toothpaste, toothbrush, and a nice little mug for you as well. Nice little fanny pack from K+S. And from GATX Rail, we got a nice little swag bag with a nice little hat in there for you as well. Yeah, and then, of course, there's some lollipops for the class as well that they can enjoy from Ross Park Dental. So, yeah, it's just been a blast, hey?
Yes, it's a well-deserved group. I'm happy to celebrate this with them.
And we're happy to be here celebrating with your class as well.
Awesome. Thank you so much for everything.
Of course. Thanks for having us.